Hi everybody, this is me. I'm back again this month with the September monthly update for the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group and the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group and the Sweet Pea Papers YouTube channel. Now, the first thing I want to do is talk a little bit about the Ko-Fi membership. Now, I know, or coffee, it depends on how you pronounce it, it's ko-fi.com/Sweet Pea Papers. Now, I've got the membership going there, and I've been adding more and more videos over there that you guys aren't getting for free on YouTube, but the cost is minuscule. So let me show you real quick. Last month, the end of July and in August, the members got the tutorial. Whoopsie. Why do I do this wrong every time? To this book, Keeper of the Forest. Sure isn't focusing in on that very well. Keeper of the Forest, which is a nice book with lots of charms. Pretty book. Okay. Then they also got, or you, if you're a member, Keeper of the Forest Folio, which I think turned out really nice. Here's our keeper right here. There's our forest up there. And this one is being added today, which is 3 days before you're seeing this. So it should be up in the group to be viewed, and then also in the shop. This is called Colorful Creatures, and it's very beautiful. If I do say so myself, I put book corners on it. The end is the little fox. It's a 3 signature book. It's very heavy and fat. I'm not even going to open it. Everything will fall out. Okay, and this book is going to be going in the Ko-Fi shop right before you see this video too. So if you're a member there, then you get to watch all of these videos for the low price of your membership. Okay, so I just thought I'd mention that. This is gone in the shop. Oopsie, what am I doing? This has gone in the shop. We just got through seeing this French Florals folio in YouTube. So it's gone in the Ko-Fi shop. Now this month, this is August. This month there were a couple of things I told you about at the beginning of the month, but you didn't get to see because I didn't have the papers or anything. So the thing that you're watching right now is signed, sealed, delivered. It's bigger than it looks in the photos. So it's pretty good sized. Pretty good sized. It's a 11 and a quarter or something, and then it's almost regular width. It's got a big envelope stack on the top with a little surprise in there, and then the regular folio stuff on the folio part, and it's a postal theme, and it's going to go in the shop too. So it should be in there maybe by the time you see this, if not within a day or so. Also, my collaboration with Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors and Julie from Julie's Paper Crafts, called Out with a Bang, Last Days of Summer, is going on all month in August. I know this sounds like it's the August update, but it's not. I'm just kind of going over some stuff that you never did get to see. And it will be coming up on the 26th, which I believe is the day after this video goes up. And in it, my project is with Mandy's Poppies kit, and it's a key ring thing. These are bookmark, or what do you call them? Tags with, see, tags inside, right? Great big ones. And then the images on the back are beautiful. Anyway, so that's what you're going to see how to make in 1 hour. Oops, I just ripped it right off. Isn't that nice? Guess I'll have to make another one. In the Out with a Bang Last Days of Summer collaboration, and of course this will be posted on the 26th because that's my day. Okay, now finally, for September, we've got 3 projects. Okay, we're going to have 1 or 2 for the Ko-Fi members, and you'll notice a little bit of a shift. I'm kind of going more for the, I'm sorry, I'm swinging on my seat right here. I'm going more for the bigger tutorials being in the Ko-Fi shop. So, yeah, the YouTube tutorials are still going to be, you know, the folios and they're going to be journals too. There just won't be quite as many of the bigger ones. And so I just thought I would let you know that, because it's nothing against YouTube or whatever, because it's been great to me and I love YouTube, and I'm going to continue to post to YouTube indefinitely. But I do all that for free, and it's a full-time job. So at the Ko-Fi shop, at least I get a little teeny bit so that I can say that I made 50 cents a video. That's about what it works out to. So yeah, so hopefully that'll get better. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know that. So the first project that you're going to be getting, which is awesome, is Autumn Fairies. Now, Autumn Fairies, if you remember last year, we did winter fairies, spring fairies, summer fairies, and then we had no fall or autumn fairies, and that was because the kit came out too late. Let's see, I'll get it in the screen here in just a minute. The kit came out too late, so I saved it for a year, and this is that kit. And so this is the book that you're going to learn how to make in September, ready for October and November. Okay, so it's got lots of little leaf charms, and the charms, let's see if I can show you, are ceramic with the little autumn colors on them. Why do I even try to get up close to this camera? It really does not want to focus up close. You would think, being a webcam, it would. Anyway, enough of that. But yeah, this will be up in the YouTube channel. I believe it's going to be the first project of the month. However, I'm trying to get this new designer that I've never worked with before, Wild Rose Bohemian. And if you want to look it up on Etsy, it's Wild Rose Boho on Etsy. They have this beautiful kit. And look how big it is. I haven't decided whether I'm going to print on the back or not. These beautiful papers, these watercolor. They're just amazing. Let me get to the pages. They're just beautiful. They're watercolor. I'm trying to see what I'm doing, and then that's keeping me from putting this in front, or it's just where it needs to be, which is right in front of my face. And here's another one. And another one. They're just gorgeous. Anyway, so I've got the papers and I'm getting ready to start the project probably tomorrow. And if I can get it done, or at least get far enough ahead that I know that I can go ahead and start publishing it and I'll be able to keep up and get it done, I want to do that one first. I was just in the middle of finishing Colorful Creatures and I just couldn't get everything done. Um, unfortunately, Painted Fields got bumped by like 2 weeks. So I really want to do it the other way around though. Okay. Then last but not least, of course, we have the Line Dot Arrow Design Team project. And so that will be with a kit that I will receive probably next week. So I don't have it to show you. That's why I wasn't able to show you Signed, Sealed, Delivered, which is my Line Dot Arrow Design Team project, because I didn't have the papers last time. So I won't have the papers until next week. And but we're still, I can tell you about it. It's a design team project, and so that means there's going to be freebies from Line Dot Arrow from her Facebook group. There's going to be a drawing in all 5 of the regular Facebook groups, which is Line Dot Arrow Facebook group, Savage Art, Two Sisters Jam. Who am I missing? Two Sisters Jam, Savage Art, Two Sisters Jam, Line Dot Arrow, Sweet Pea Papers, and Junk Journal Tutorials and more. Yeah, I just didn't count somebody. I said them, but I didn't count them. Okay, and of course, that's all. You always get the information on that several times a month. It'll start at the beginning of the month, but my project won't get published till about the 3rd week of the month. Okay, and there's going to be a drawing in each of those 5 groups, and each group is going to have 3 prizes, so that's 15 prizes. So you actually have a chance to win 5 prizes. There's 5 drawings you can enter in each drawing with your images, and I don't know what the hashtag is for next month either, but it'll all get posted. It'll all get posted for you. I keep looking down because I have notes, but I don't have any notes on that. So yeah, so there'll be a drawing, and you can enter in all 5 groups with your pictures and your videos, and then you can have a chance to win. All right, so don't forget to post. Don't forget to post and use the hashtag. All right, you still have some days to get in on the Challenge Your Art. Whatever you post, I keep trying to tell you guys, whatever you post, add the hashtag Challenge Your Art. Whatever you post, and then that will get you an entry into the drawing. You guys are doing great and wonderful and posting a lot, and I love it. I love it. I love it. But you're not adding hashtag Challenge Your Art, so you're not getting entered into the drawing. You still have another week. That's a tip. Okay, and some other news. I have been having problems with my right hand, more so than normal. And I went and saw the orthopedic doctor and had one of those zappy tests done where they zap you with all the things or whatever. And it's not carpal tunnel at all. It's not my hand at all. It's my ulnar nerve is getting pinched in my elbow somewhere. So I go see the surgeon today to see if I have to have surgery on my elbow to be able to continue making books, because it's getting worse, the tingling and the numbness and the weakness. I can't even push against, anything in these 2 fingers or this finger at all either. It just pushes right over. I can't push back. Anyway, so I have to have the surgery, I'm pretty sure. I don't know how it's going to impact my book making or my video making or whatever. So I may have to take a break. I record ahead of time. I may have some grace time before because I just go see them today, and I don't know how far out they schedule, or whatever. Um, so I will make a post in the group about that to let you know what's going on. I always let you guys know what's going on. I really, really don't want to do this because I'm worried about. I know you do these exercises, and I know you can move your hand, and I know it's just a few stitches or whatever here. So I'm hoping that's all there is to it, and that you do the exercises, but that you can still do your normal stuff. That's what I'm hoping. I'll let you know later. Okay. All right. Well, that's it for this month. And yeah, that's it. That's really it this time. And I will see you next month and with next month's update. And until then, I want to thank you for hanging out with me. And I will enjoy being with you all month long. Thanks. Bye.